Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, then select MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43, select it, then select the operating system. See you don't have LUbuntu, but select Ubuntu Linux, then select version. If you are on Ubuntu 24, select 24. If you are on 22, select 22. I am on Ubuntu 24.04, select it. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be download and install. See, okay, instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. So click on download, then click on nothing, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and install MySQL Server 8.0.43. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, system tools. See, here we have the Q terminal. Open it. Then go to download, cd, downloads, ls. See, here we have the tar file. You have to untar it. Tar -except, then MySQL, then press tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See, here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them, but before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install makeup -ipadic utf8 lib ao-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter, type for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control it, ls. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg -i start.deb. This will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter, select OK. Next, select default authentication plugin. See, here we have two options: use strong password encryption or use legacy authentication method. Okay, use the up and down arrows from your keyboard and select work and hit enter. See, these components failed, but we have successfully installed MySQL Server main component. Okay, Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running. Okay. See here, and it is enabled. Quit to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. So, databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Then provide the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Okay, Control A. Now switch to this new database by using the keyword use, then provide the name of the database. Now verify the tables in this database. Show tables will be empty. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user. To exit, we have to use the quit or exit. Hit enter. MySQL -u. Username is David-p. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. So provide that password. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully logged into the MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay. Now exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server on LUbuntu 24.04. Control L, sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped, inactive or dead. Okay, you can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect to MySQL server. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 3 seconds ago. Now try to access the MySQL server. See, we are able to connect. Exit. Control L. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on Ubuntu operating systems, Linux operating systems. Okay. We have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.deb, which means it will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. ls, we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file. Hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on LUbuntu 24.04. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.